Hey guys, Millionaire Advice here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a new trick to earn $160 every hour for free. That's right, with just a little bit of effort, you can start making money online right away. So, if you're ready to learn how, then let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for a GPT website. The first step to earning money online is to sign up for a GPT. Get paid to website. These sites pay you to complete various tasks such as taking surveys, watching videos, and completing offers. Some popular GPT sites include Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Prize Rebel. Step 2. Complete high-paying offers. Once you've signed up for a GPT website, you need to focus on completing high-paying offers. These are offers that pay a significant amount of money for completing simple tasks. For example, you might be asked to sign up for a free trial of a product or service or download an app. Make sure to read the offer details carefully and only complete offers that are legitimate. Step 3. Refer others to the site. Another way to earn money on GPT sites is to refer others to the site. Most GPT sites offer a referral program where you can earn a percentage of your referral's earnings. Share your referral link on social media, blogs, or forums to maximize your earnings. Step 4. Cash out your earnings. Finally, once you've earned enough money, you can cash out your earnings. Most GPT sites offer multiple payment options such as PayPal, gift cards, or direct deposit. Choose the payment option that works best for you and enjoy your earnings. So, there you have it, a new trick to earn $160 every hour for free. With a little bit of effort and dedication, you can start making money online right away. Remember to focus on completing high-paying offers, refer others to the site, and cash out your earnings regularly. If you have any questions or tips for making money online, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.